Here it comes!
Oh, Cena gets out of the way of the Samoan spike. John Cena has solo where he wants him. Attitude adjustment.
To mentally destroy the WWE champion.
That point too. I mean, Cena's going to have to mentally destroy Batista. We've seen what Batista's been able to do, what he's capable of over the years.
Well, we saw these two guys in absolute war in that last man standing match. Neither one could win.